lot of time before to get to know each other and hang out and make this awesome film and like hope and pray that it would reach a wide audience. And then, yeah, it got picked up and got shown in cinemas, so we're very, very lucky. We wanted to be shown more, can we be honest? But, you know, I also got this for you guys because yung admins, kayo ang maaatasang mag-post na lang para, kasi I'm sure hindi nyo kita ang liit-liit na ito eh. But I'll just play it para may video read kayo. Saan yun? Viber.
Hi everyone, sorry couldn't join tonight because I'm out of town, but anyways, thanks for watching and we'll see you.
Sino nagmamay-ari ng flying kiss? Sa'yo yun? Sa'yo yata yun eh. Anyway, I just want to really thank all of you guys for coming out tonight and filling this cinema. And I hope you enjoyed the movie.
Yes.
Yay, thanks. Better not be fucking shitting me. And I don't really know what to say. It's been an amazing day, and this is just the perfect way to cap it off. And for some of you, I'm seeing you for the first time. And it's also really nice to see a lot of familiar faces again. Thank you so much, guys. I love you all. I don't. Is there anything I have to be doing right now? Am I gonna lead a prayer? Rap? I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna. But yes.
Nag-pre-draw na kami ng raffle kanina.
Oh, nice!
Papunta na lang po sa tabi ni Rian for picture taking tsaka awarding. Ay, nung